Welcome to VERAH'S Spicy Dish, where we bring you mouth-watering recipes with a kick. I'm Vera, your culinary guide through the world of flavor. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our spice food family. Today, we are cooking up a hearty and flavorful dish, beef stew. Start by heating some vegetable oil in a pan. Add diced onions and garlic, then saute until golden brown. Next, add your beef cubes and brown them on all sides. Once the beef is browned, season generously with turmeric, paprika, and black pepper. Add in your chopped tomatoes, season with salt to taste. Add in your green peas and salt. Don't forget to crumble in some beef seasoning cubes for extra flavor. Once the beef stew reaches its savory peak, it is time to layer in the colorful veggies. Start by adding vibrant capsicum, tender courgettes, and carrots to infuse the dish with a spectrum of flavors and textures. As the stew simmers to perfection, toss in hearty chunks of potatoes, add a little water. Finally, sprinkle freshly chopped coriander over the steaming pot, releasing its aromatic essence and completing this culinary masterpiece with a burst of freshness. Give everything a good stir, then cover and let it simmer on low heat for about half an hour, or until the beef is tender and the vegetables are cooked through. Get ready to savor each spoonful of this hearty beef stew, packed with wholesome goodness and irresistible taste. And there you have it, a delicious and spicy beef stew that's sure to warm you up from the inside out. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more spicy dishes. Until next time, happy cooking.